Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the ignition coil. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 all the way up to 2010 and Dodge Grand Caravans equipped with 3.3 liter V6 engine. Okay, so this will be quite a short video because it's quite cold outside and I want it done fast. Okay, so before you start, you want to make sure to disconnect the negative battery terminal. You'll need a 10mm socket or a wrench key. Okay, once this nut is nice and loose, you just want to pull it straight off. Okay, now the next thing to do, first you'll want to disconnect this electrical connector at the back. There's like a small tab just here on this side, but before you can do that, there is actually a red safety clip located right here, so you will need like a flat screwdriver or something similar just to pry this piece out, you see, just like that. And once you do that, you'll be able to remove this connector. Okay, sorry, I had to use my other hand for a while there. This was kind of never removed probably, so I just pried it here a bit with my flat screwdriver as well, just to get it off. But this is the idea, right? Just make sure you don't lose this red safety pin, because that's quite important. You don't want it to disconnect while you drive. Next thing you'll want to do, you'll want to disconnect some wiring, so just pull all these guys off. That's all you have to do. And make sure you don't mix them up, because they have to be connected in this same order when you're installing the new ignition coil. Okay, so that's the whole idea here. And once that is done, all you have to do, you'll have two 10mm screws to remove. One is right here, another one on the other side. So for that you will need a ratchet with 10mm socket, so just remove those two. Okay, so once you remove those, they're actually two nuts, not the screws, sorry about that. But once you remove them, there is nothing else actually holding this ignition coil. You can just lift it straight up. And that's it. As easy as that. Okay, and here is my new ignition coil. I got the aftermarket one. It was much cheaper. I paid it like 65 bucks. It's up to you. If you go OEM, it's gonna cost you a bit more. Your other option is getting the aftermarket one, which are cheaper depending on the brand and the store selling it. Your third option is getting a used one from the car salvage. That's your cheapest option, but those parts are like it says used, so you never know how long they will last. But that's pretty much it. Now to connect this back in, it's pretty simple. Just attach it, put back the nuts, connect all the wires and connect the connector, and that's it. Very easy, plug and play. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.